What is up guys, Standard this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Substack private. So let's get started. So first off, you need to head over to your Google or any browser, and then in the search bar, you need to type Substack. After typing, you will see this first official website of Substack. Click on this website, and after clicking, just simply sign up or log in to your Substack account and hover to the dashboard. Now, after coming to the dashboard, click on the settings icon here on the right side, and from here, scroll down till you see the privacy tab. Click on this privacy tab, and here under the privacy tab section, you can see the option of private mode. So turn this toggle on, and this will turn your privacy mode on, and now your Substack has been turned to a private mode. So this is how you can make your Substack private. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.